Homes taken with a signature and a stamp. For months, 9 Investigates has been highlighting just how easy it can be to transfer ownership of a property with what some have called forged deeds.
And now the state is looking to crack down, but as investigative reporter and anchor Carla Ray discovered, the plan might not be enough to stop those cases from happening.
This is the signature on a gift deed that moved Gary Chestnut's property to the control of the Home Fund, a nonprofit run by a woman named Karen Bobb, the same woman who notarized the very same document.
I never signed anything. My signature is not on anything.
But somebody's signature.
Somebody's signature is, but it's not mine.
Even if it were real, notaries are not supposed to be stamping documents to which they are an interested party. But Bob is still listed as a valid notary, and she hasn't been charged with any crime.
This girl is going around attaching herself with a quitclaim deed. A quitclaim deed could attach you to somebody else's property? Really?
Gary's cousin Tara says the same thing happened to another family property just a few blocks away. And in reality, something like this could happen to almost any property.
And what they do is they will create a fake deed transferring the property into their name or another fake name or a company. They contact a local realtor or they just put it on Zillow themselves and then try to sell it. And this has just caused a lot of problems in the industry.
Real estate attorney Barry Miller says this type of fraud most often happens without the real owner knowing until they go to sell or make a change. A new bill would place additional safeguards by increasing the steps notaries have to take to legitimize a document and allowing property appraisers' offices to note potential fraud on their systems, something Miller says will be tough to implement.
Are they now going to have to examine every single deed? I'm not sure how they're going to be able to do that. And then if they examine it, how are they going to make that determination whether it's valid or not?
Miller notes that by the time the deed reaches the property appraiser, it's already filed, meaning the fraud will have already occurred.
So bottom line, will this proposed law stop fraud, in your opinion?
No, it's not going to stop it. Is it going to put up some a few guardrails that may help? Yes, but it's not a solution at all.
Is there a solution in your mind?
I'm not sure there is one.
Miller says that at least this bill is a step in the right direction to address this type of fraud. It is now headed to an appropriations committee tomorrow. As for the woman we mentioned in our story, she is under investigation right now by the Seminole County Sheriff's Office, but our attempts to reach her have been unsuccessful for months. Greg?
All right, Carla, we know you'll stay on top of that. Stealing someone's property.
So wrong.
With a signature. All right.